In this video, I'm going to simulate addressable RGB LED ws2812. So let's start. Click on this and search for Arduino board. Place it here. Now again go to component library and search for ws2812. I'm using 8 LED strip. Click on this and place it here. In this tutorial I'm using 8 LED strip here. There are 2 pins. One is input and one is output pin. Connect output of first to input of second LED strip. So you can rotate this module using right click menu or numerical plus minus key. Now make connection. Connect first output pin of neopixel to second input pin and so on. So connect all these modules together and connect pin number 6 of Arduino to input of first neopixel. Leave last pin blank because there is no any other output. Now compile this code and copy the hex file location. You can install library from library manager Adafruit neopixel. Now copy hex file location and place it here. Now start the simulation. So you can modify this code and use it as per your requirement. So thanks for watching.